Hello everyone. Today I'll introduce the command used to rotate an object along an axis using the mouse. First, right-click the empty space on the top toolbar. Click on the Mouse Valuator Indication command. Now the command window is displayed. I will show you how each function works. Let's start. Scale All used to increase or reduce scale of object. Move U used to move the object horizontally. Move V used to move the object vertical. This Scale All is worked the same as before. Rotation U used to rotate around the horizontal axis. Rotation V used to rotate around the vertical axis. Rotation W used to rotate around the depth axis. Move Front used to move the object in front or back layer. To close the command window, click the cross icon. That's all for today's training. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.